having constant k1, k2, k3, k4. In this complex system, we have to calculate time period of oscillation. How we can solve? Let's we solve with some tricks. In a complex situation, we using trick. Trick is suppose there is three springs. Suppose there are three springs having constant k1, k2 and k3, and there is a block of mass M. So there are three springs. So we can convert this system into three springs connected in series, having constant k1 dash, k2 dash, k3 dash, and k1 dash can be calculated by a trick. K1 tension in mass, tension in a spring, a square. What is k2 dash? K2 dash, k2 tension in mass, tension in a spring, whole square. What is k3 dash? K3 dash is k3 tension in mass, tension in a spring, whole square. So in this way, time period comes out to be 2 pi under root. If mass is m0, so m0 into 1 over k1 dash plus 1 over k2 dash plus 1 over k3 dash. And in this way we can calculate always the time period. So similar process we have to apply here. Similar process we have to apply. So here in this case, there are n springs and mass is connected to the last spring. So if we see tension in each of these, a string is same T, T, and last is also having T. Here tension is 2T, 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 and here also tension 2T, 2T, so on. So nth spring having block of mass M connecting a string having tension T, and each spring K1, K2, K3 have tension T2. So what is K1 dash here? K1 dash is K1 tension in mass, tension in a spring square. So that comes out to be K1 over 4. Similarly, K2 dash comes out to be K2 over 4. K3 dash comes out to be K3 over 4. So time period will be what? So time period comes out to be 2 pi under root m0 over 1 by k1 dash plus 1 by k2 dash plus 1 by k3 dash to n terms. And here 2 pi under root m0. What is k1 dash? K1 dash is k1 over 4. What is k2 dash? K2 over 4. K3 dash? K3 over 4 to n terms. So that equals to 2 pi m0 4 m0 1 over k1 1 over k2 dot dot to 1 over kn. So this is our required answer. In the same question, previous question, suppose if k1, k2, k3 are given in geometric progression. So we have already time period 2 pi under root 4 m0 1 over k1 plus 1 over k2 dot dot to 1 over kn. Here n comes out to be infinite. Number of terms is infinite to infinite. So that is 2 pi under root 4 m0. 1 by k1 is 1 by k, k2 is 1 by 2k, k3 is 1 by 4k, k4 is 1 by 8k to infinite. So time period comes out to be 2 pi under root 4 m0 over k 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 to infinite. In this way we can calculate here. 1 by k is the common in every part. So 1 by k is common. So 2 pi under root 4m naught over k, and what is this? Is a geometric progression, and we know sum to infinite term in geometric progression is a over 1 minus r, that equals to a is 1, r is 1 by 2. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 to infinite is 2. So time period comes out to be 2 pi under root 8m naught over k. 8m naught over k. This is our required answer. In this question, a block is connected with many springs. We have to find the time period. If we distribute the tension, here tension is T, here comes out to be tension T by 2, here tension comes out to be T by 4, and so on. So what will be the tension in nth spring? What will be the tension in nth spring? We can calculate. Here K1 dash comes out to be K tension in mass, tension in a spring ka whole square. So K1 dash is K1. What is K2 dash? K2 dash is K2. Tension in mass is T. Tension in a spring comes out to be T by 2 ka whole square. That is 4K2. What is K3 dash? K3 dash is K3. Tension in mass, tension in a spring ka whole square. That comes out to be 16K3, and so on. So what will be the time period? Time period comes out to be 2 pi under root m naught 1 over k1, 1 over 4k2, 1 over 16k3 to n terms. So this is our required time period. In the same question, if all constants are k and number of turns in infinite, so time period is 2 pi under root m, and k is what? 1 over k1, 1 over 4k2, 1 over 16k3, as to infinite terms here. And k1 is what? K1, k2, k3 all are same. So constant k comes out to be outside of the bracket, and it is 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 to infinite time. This is also a geometric progression, and we know sum to infinite is a over 1 minus r. 1 minus 1 by 4. So answer is 4 over 3. So what will be the time period? Time period is 2 pi under root m over k, and sum to infinite comes out to be 4 over 3. So what will be the time period? Time period is 2 pi under root 4 by 3 m over k. This is our required answer.